Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Robo Thoughts, the new and innovative series on Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, we are in lesson number 24 and I'm going to show you what is a float in Python. Alright, it's pretty simple. So let me open up my Jetson Nano and I am already logged in. I hope you guys are logged in already. Let's create a new file called float nano float.py. All right, there you go. Now let me just give you an example how ideally a float should look like. Say x equal to 1 dot say 10. All right, then y equal to 1.0. I'm just throwing random example, guys, so you can put in any value, but it has to have decimal value. All right, z is equal to say minus say 40 point say 30 say 25 random. All right, now let's print. I'm going to what? Type. Yes, I'm going to call for a type and then x, close it, and again close the entire thing. Guys, don't forget this. Whenever you are calling for a type or a class, you got to have two rounded brackets. Inside that you are calling for a type, and then you are calling for, in another small bracket, you are calling for that particular data where you are put x or y or z, right? Now print again type, I'm going to say y and then close it, and then again print type and z. Okay, now let us save it. How do I save it? Control O, enter, Control X. Now let's execute this file. How do I execute? Python 3 float.py. There you go. Can you see, guys? All the three values we are given. The class you call for a type and it says float, and float. Simple. You are getting very serious, guys, into Python now. Can you see? You are able to play around with a class and the type, right? It's a pretty interesting stuff. So I'm sure in the coming videos you are going to get more and more hands-on. All right, guys, make sure that you are practicing this on the keyboard, on the terminal, and keep looking at my videos, and make sure that you close your eyes and practice sometimes. You know, it's going to get in here and you need to understand this, and you got to be really masters. All right, thanks for watching again, and do give a thumbs up and like, and do subscribe to my channel and ask me any questions you want. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.